Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings on your device or visiting Apple. Apple.com. This is where you create or add an Apple email ID. Enter your name, birth date, and an existing email or choose to get a new iCloud email. Make sure your phone number is nearby for verification codes. Once done, pick a strong password and answer security questions. These protect access and help recover your account. You'll also accept Apple's terms, so read them quickly then proceed. Once you submit the basic info, you'll receive a verification code via SMS or your current email. Enter it promptly to confirm your identity. Next, decide if you want an iCloud.com address or to continue with an existing email. Choose iCloud Mail to create the Apple email ID. Make sure to enable iCloud syncing for mail, contacts, and calendars if you want continuity across devices. Finally, enable two-factor authentication. It adds a required second step to sign in, improving security significantly. You finish by signing into Mail or iCloud.com and sending a test message to confirm the address works. Make sure recovery options are set. Add a backup email and trusted phone numbers so you can regain access if needed. If you can't sign in or verification fails, try resetting the password from the sign-in screen. Use recovery contacts if prompted. If problems persist, contact Apple support and have your device serial and proof of identity ready to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.